Quick win, how you can justify a text that you can see and you feel good about it and you can read it, and it's very easy for you that you read it and you don't lose any line. So I mean, it's very aligned, it's very organized, so you can justify that to really reach that objective. So you select the complete text and then you go to here and you click justify. Right now every line is aligned and you can read it without any worry. Quick win, how you can change the view of the document in Microsoft Word. It's very easy. First way is to follow the view menu in here. So we're gonna go to view. You can have it read mode, print layout, web layout, outline, and draft. Another quick way is to do it by here, read mode, print layout, and web layout. Also, you have the option to zoom out and zoom in the document in order to read it better. Quick win, how you can make change in Microsoft Word theme. Okay, simple. Go to the file, then account, and then you have in here all the theme possible that you want it, like dark gray, or like black, or white, or colorful. So any color you want it. Quick win, how you can clear format of the text. For example, this text you can see, it's very not good styled, it's very awful, and I want to just clear everything off. So we want to clear format. How we can do it? So first thing first, we're gonna select all, and then once you come in here and go to the clear all formatting selection, so you click. Right now the text is very plain text and there's nothing in it, so it's very basic text, and that's what we wanted in here. Quick win, how you can copy a text style to another text. So it's very easy. You select a text that has this style that you wanted and you go to Format Painter. Once you do that, so you select the next text you wanted. So there you go. Right now this text has the same exact style as this first one. That's very easy. Always use Format Painter.